Okay. Things rose like my way in a cold day. Check, I know people that's promoting the peace. Same people on the roads that are loaded for beef. A contradiction it seems, but please listen my speech. We ease the pressures of the beast with a mystique of the leaf. My high is diseased and I am enslaved to the streets. I'm mixed race, half master, half slave in the beast. So you are witnessing the face of a dying breed. I am obsolete in the eyes of the priory. Skinny tight, but you might get fright when I punch out your lights like how you might. Whether we in the back with a soul rights on stage for Michael, endanger your life. I lay dormant like cancer in the brain of your wife. Feeling a strike, swipe off your hands in front of your side. I got a mental disposition. I might switch a knitting pistol, whip him in the lip. With the pistol I'm gripping, must be the liquor I'm sipping. The quicker I'm sipping, the quicker I'm tripping. Must be the spots where I'm sitting there, yo. They say that I'm slipping, but I pray when I spray that the clip ain't sticking. It must be booking and spitting. Check, I see you all right up on the block. You must be tripping, leave you all fried up in the box like Turkish chicken. Paranoia's a bitch, it keeps switching. A nigga should've just played his position. Niggas are raised on competition, eliminating and raise the opposition with precision. Shit, I ain't even going out yet. Don't make yourself a target. I will put your brains on the market.
Listen, let me try this. I am the guy. Many MCs don't like what I write, don't need bud cause they never life on the high. Feds wanna lock me for the rhymes I supply. Time after time I've shown them a problem, but my opposition wanna try you and I don't need to win battles no more, I still connect views when I'm paralyzed. Don't watch me, you're not the eye in the sky. I don't see you in a helicopter, I'm arrogant, but I got a reason. When you clash you're not getting any sponsor. Yeah, you might win battle on battle, but won't any label ever want ya. I'm an interesting guy, that's why peeps look into me like a teleprompter. Right, a tweet pops up so I read it. My battle's been posted on Reddit. No American rednecks when I try to judge my bars and I just don't get it. It's like I'm on a 40 phone network cause online I don't get no credit. You better stop with the ignorance, dead it. The fuck is an English accent? Anyway, what was that? Oh yeah, back to the program. I'm 17 soon, I will be a grown man. I got this scam. Hence why I am a flow down, lyrical ether, I aim to ghost man. Watch out for the EP, I'll show man. Me and Hungry gonna be, I go so ham. Stupid haters, don't try convince me you kept vapors. I should call my style better reality because I harm enough kids and I'm losing patience. You'll get put so far in the ground you'll be known as a human crater. You better stop with the Utah Jazz cause Miami Heat will turn you to a Laker. Don't tell me I'm dumb, I've got so many abstract reference points. When I look to the test events I don't mean tunes but they wanna get me on joints. You want me to smoke their spliff, talk about my home and shit. Yeah, what's going on Liz, you're sick? How are you doing? You do have kids, Bataluna, do you think you'll win? What is your favourite kind of drink? Arse or tits? Stop with the shit, I just came to kill my liver and drink JD and Coke until I feel sick, brandy and rum, killing my ribs. You might think I'm not so lyrical, I just shown you what lyrical is. Had a writer's block but I'm back for the title. I tower over man, I'm an eyeful. I'll hurt any deserving MC, never wanna turn my back on a rival. Put grind back in your cycle, me featuring your tune, that's actually vital. Actually it's a plan for survival, or a chance to rap with your idol. Got a flow so cold, it's chilling it in. I'm a killer when I get up on the rhythm in. You're 100%, I put a million in. They scream my praise any city I'm in. Hungry, one day I'll be chilling with him. I got a bar one day, I'm gonna spit it to him. Hungry for success, enough checks. I'll be lying if I said I wasn't in it to win. Mainly a wager, I move straight for the paper and get away from a hater. Don't ever try cap me because my name isn't Slater. You don't get that, step back, I'm fly like a jetpack and I'm so out of the world that I got my place in a crater. I got soul and bass in my flavour. Fuck off.
Unanimous, take it away.
Oh, don't pull the beat back. Turn it up a little bit. I'm a loud kind of guy. Alright, check. It's dangerous. When you names on a mic, fam, when I try test, come clash with a titan, try nap out. When I slap up your hype, man, take your swag bars back to your rhyme pad, blah, I'm taking over. Man, I drop bombs like Israeli soldiers. I'm aiming my flame at a blatant poser, and I push that crack, no baking soda. Saying I'm leveling, you let the rebel in. I don't hold toast, but I got eggs Benedict, raw. I got the heart of a beast, this wavy. Even when I bar on a beat, it's crazy. If you wanna party with me, aiming straight for the heart of the scene. I'm shameless, straight going up in the street, and I'm fucking you up if you fuck with a team. Which brick said that I can't do grind, perfecting my flows, just part of the grind. Arsing this type, I set artists to light, man, fucking life up, left scars on my mind. They don't wanna clash me, I go hard at a time. Real heads know I go hard when I rhyme. This shit when you write, I'm powering these guys on my felon and pen is my partner in crime. Wanna talk shit? Back your mouth. I'm slick on my feet like Pacquiao from the nasty south. Wanna battle me up on a track around like who's laughing now? If you get batted up in Passy Town. West Country, but I ain't a farmer. Screwed up face for the taste of karma. If you took it to a limit, I'ma take it farther. You can feel my heat when I'm racing past you. This year I'm trying to work on working harder, working the good times, work out the drama. Come through revealing the facts. Break the door down when I bust in. Get robbed for your weed and your cash. I ain't got no heat in the stash. I just like watching people collapse. What? New to the scene like a debut actor. I got down angles like a protractor. Fist in the air like a Black Panther. Got a couple screw face walking with us. Still no 5-0 talking to us. Walk with the 4 horsemen walking with us. Still no 5-0 talking to us. I'm a don't stack shit, jump on that shit from the back of a black Range Rover. I got on back fist, Mortal Kombat shit, fatality, now it's game over. Mate, you ain't taming a beast, I'll twist up your backbone 80 degrees. If you wanna go and try hating on me, then I make it bow down like you pray to the east. Turn up to your show with an 8 pull of weed. Holler your bird, get wavy and leave. I'm dirty, like tasting a grief, and I stay full of pain like a blade to the spleen.
So what put you in this situation?
Well, I've been to Unanymous like 16 years. We just ended up arguing, basically, what have you. And I've got kids and that, she's ended up throwing me out.
Alright.
So I've looked most of my life, me. Never thought I'd be in this situation. But, to be honest with you, there's some good people all over the streets of Manchester.
Preachaman TV, keep it locked.
If you down with President Johnson, you ready to ride and say fuck that side. Fuck that side. If you down with Trippin' Question, you ready to ride, say fuck that side. Fuck that side. If you down with Question Grip and you ready to ride, say fuck that side. Fuck that side. Come on, fuck that side. Fuck that side. Come on, fuck that side. Fuck that side. Say suck my dick. Suck my dick. So everybody make some noise, y'all. Come on. We trying to keep you on the toes. Alright, man. I'm a big Ricky Hatton fan, so I'm always happy to be here. Who's in the building? Man City or Man United? Man United! You better stop this shit. Oh no, nobody's fighting. You know I just bought this one. I love all of them. Yo, say we got the gangster shit. We got the gangster shit. We got the murder shit. We got the murder shit. You talk the gangster shit. You talk the gangster shit. We live the murder shit. We live the murder shit. Yeah. You need y'all to dumb the fuck out when your shit drop. Let's go. Let's go. Heavy metal king, whole big shit. We got shit down. Come on. Heavy metal king. Let's go. Yeah. The heavy metal king, whole big shit. We lock shit down. Yeah. The heavy metal king. Come on. I murder you and laugh. I'm having scared as lessons through the path. You were magicians assistant. I'm sorry you in half. You were heathens at the line on the beast. I'm a demon that's a fire to the fire the priest. I shot up a beast, a motherfucking piece of the light. I'm a lion at the jungle, raw, be what I like. I bleed in the fight, really like the taste of his blood. And I open up his stomach like a case of a slug. I'm straight for the drug, putting metal plates in your lung. Throw your body in
Talking like in the rug, facing the mind. Don't create the facade. Now my people have exterminated faith in their cause. Preaching is hard, trusting by the pain to be calm. Throw no war for anybody who embraces this wrong. Preachers are on, ready for my place in the war. I'm ready to smack the motherfucking face to the floor. We got the gangsta shit. Come on. We got the gangsta shit. We got the murder shit. We got the murder shit. You talk the gangsta shit. We talk the gangsta shit. We live that murder shit. We live the murder shit. We got the gangsta shit. We got the gangsta shit. We got the murder shit. We got the murder shit. You talk the gangsta shit. You talk the gangsta shit. We live that murder shit. We live the murder shit. Yeah. Hold on, Grizzly. Yo, hey, look, man, I feel you feel like holding this joint. You can't be on stage, man. I don't want to trip. You know what I mean? Maybe we'll hold him right there. When you need him, just, you know, give us an eye, man. No disrespect, man. Motherfucking hands up! Motherfucking hands up! Put your motherfucking hands up! Put your motherfucking hands up! Motherfucking hands up! That motherfucker in the street that you never heard. A 4/5 separate your hand and touch a third. Holy crumple me way, I carry several birds. Demolish enemies, college with every deadly word. These motherfuckers don't know the pain that's explaining to them. I'ma take them back to the block and explain it to them. From the motherfucking head like I'm screaming to them. Take this motherfucking bread, now it's plain as to them. And feed them shit fools, that man bold. I'm here to fuck the game, I'm like Batman Jones. Call me with rock, and got a fucking zone in the spot. If you disrespect my mother, I'ma hope you get shot. I'm only a clock, I'm the type of person who's deadly. The 50 cal make your face look like spaghetti. Look at the teddy, look at all this beautiful shit. The South Philly stuff bag wearing Gucci and shit. It's all the hip hop, started out in the park. That's right, we used to do it when the weed was sparked. When the drink starts flowing and the weed starts blowing. If you from the hood, I know you feel me, keep going. Hip hop, started out in the park. That's right, we used to do it when the weed was sparked. When the drink starts flowing and the weed starts blowing. If you from the hood, I know you feel me, keep going. Hip hop, that's what's in the building tonight, y'all.
Yo, it's Tenchoo up in Manchester, Twisted MCR, the venue. Feel good to be here, you know. Performing at Don't Flop, promoting the album, Scary Movie. You already know the drill, £5. Preachaman TV, I'm about to drop a little 32 for you. Check this out. Yo, pretty soon we're gonna have our lives monitored with a ton of unseen eyes watching us. So don't get gassed, keep the mind moderate and no fans from hypnotized hype followers. From the outside it's quite obvious, but inside they're looking through blind oculars. It ain't wise to charge at a wide populace head first, kinda like a rhinoceros. The vibe ominous, it got your hands jittering, so watch your family, gotta plan diligent to figure out how to convert the land citizens. Then the next step is to keep the fans listening. Now look me in the eye, is that what you're ready for? If it ain't, splurt. If it is, step aboard. I'ma take first privilege forevermore and brick pitiful idiots with a devil thought. Better develop thoughts of a marketing plan and have heart, cause it's hard to expand in the industry feeling like you're armed with a shank and a one-on-one with a Somalian tank. Serious, that's too jarring, me fam. Now everyone in their mind just spitting bars on a camera filter. Hold the globe in the palm of my hand and reach back and throw it as far as I can. In this art I'm a fan, I'm glad I'm doing this, but the game cluttered, packed with nuisances and vain brothers chatting foolishness. Just stay studying the cats you're moving with, cause many brothers want to rise up to fame by finding a popular rapper and ride off the name. Don't beg it, let it be known it's time for a change. Tenchoo, Manchester, recitals of pain.
My people, yo, why you be a talk, you could never come in our yard. Them bad mind people, yo, why you be a talk, we and them could never part. Them bad mind people there, them bad mind people there. Alright then. Hey, Mr. Evil, Mr. Canico, me no rate them the type of people. All me dwelling in a one love people. Who you me link with the godless people. Yes. They want to see all the worst of me. They want to see all the earth all I come for it. They want to see us in coffin. They want to see my mother and my father all about for it. But clean up your heart and come. Yes, clean up your heart and come. The biggest disease is bad my natures and grudges. Clean up your heart and come. Yo, clean up your heart and come. Yeah. Clean up your heart and come. The biggest disease is bad my natures and grudges. Clean up your heart and come. Them bad mind people. Yo, why you be attacked? When I just spend that time at all. Them bad mind people. Yo, why you be attacked? You could never come in a way. Them bad mind people. Yo, why you be attacked? And them could never part. Them bad mind people there. Them bad mind people there. Alright, then bloodless and greedy, boy, you be attacked. You do not want work for what you want. Then you really want come in and yard. Come your mouth and me vessel drink out of me glass. Then I have a long sword one shoot through my heart. Bossy belly boy, you me attack with your corrupted mind and your dirty heart. Rastafari cut them off. Yeah, come and a clap it. Through the chopping. You know see me think take off like rocket. Bad mind and grudgeful can't stop it. Oh dear boy, catch this and grab it. And yeah, mate, yo, you can't stop it. My fans, them know me not deal with slacking. Badras, you know him chopping. Rise, man, arise, man, arise, man, arise. Them bad mind people. Yo, why you be attack? You not trust them no time at all. Them bad mind people. Yo, why you be attack? You could never come in a way. Them bad mind people. Yo, why you be attack? We and them could never part. Them bad mind people there. Them bad mind people there. Alright then.
Yeah. Yo. Man ain't no slave. If man want to come to my yard for beef, they have to behave. Man ain't have no shave. Gal comes around to my house, but she don't behave. Alright, Dave?